How's it going, everybody? I'm Eric with 3 Crown Studio, and today we're going to try to figure out how to store and keep all of the mic stands in the new studio space. In the old space, I had some pipe that was already existing in the room, and so I ended up hanging up all of the mic stands on that pipe, and it worked out pretty good. So I just pulled into the parking lot at the hardware store. I'm going to go in there and try to find some kind of a good solution, and then we'll head back to the studio and see if we can make something work. All right, so I think I found something that's going to work. I got some heavy-duty metal piping as well as some brackets that we can use to attach that pipe to the wall. And so let's head back to the new studio space and see how it works out. Alright, so I'm back at the studio and I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what I picked up from the store and walk you through my game plan. So I have these large wooden pillars in the studio. You can kind of see one in the wall here behind me. And my thought was to be able to mount some sort of a pipe or a bar to those pillars, and then we can use that to hang up all of our mic stands. So the pillars are 18 inches wide, and I just so happened to find this black steel piping at the hardware store that was already pre-cut to 18 inches in length. Then I found these brackets that we can use to mount this bar to the pillar like this. So it'll kind of be like a towel hang rack when it's finished, but it'll be real nice and strong. Then we'll be able to take the mic stands and hang them just like that. So that's the game plan. Let's get to it and see how it works out. So right now I've got all my mic stands just stacked up here in the corner, and it's kind of messy. I hate the way it looks, and that's why we're gonna hang them up. This is the pillar we're going to use. Initially, I had put the headphones here, and I like it, but I think this is going to be a better spot for the mic stands. So I'm going to take these down and put up the new steel bars and hang the mic stands. So I'm really happy with the way that this project turned out, and I think after looking at it, I might space them a little bit closer and add a third row just to really maximize the use of that space. Let me know what you think about this project in the comments section down below. Also, if you got any questions, leave them down there and I'll definitely get back to you. If you guys like this video, please give it the thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, do not forget to hit that subscribe button as well as the bell icon so you can be notified whenever new videos go live. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time.